Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone camera stuck on the black screen like this. You're going to follow these steps to fix it. So let's get started. Generally, when this happens, first thing is just simply close out the app itself. Just swipe up, and after that, it should go ahead and reopen it and see if it works. Now, if it doesn't work, the next thing to consider is if you have a case on, especially if you put a new case on, remove the case or any covering, lens camera covering that may be impacting the camera. Also take a microfiber cloth like this and just simply wipe and make sure there's no dust, lint, or dirt buildup that could possibly be blocking the camera, and that happens. Same with the front camera, which is right up top here. You want to make sure screen is clean and it's not blocking that. Now after you did the cleaning and such, the next thing to do is, if let's say your back camera is blocked, you want to switch to the front camera and then switch it back to the back again, and that could fix it, just switching back and forth. Again, quit out the camera app, it's still not working. Move on to the next thing, which is going to be just simply check the settings to see if the camera is in disable for a specific app, if that's what you're looking for. So in the settings, go to privacy and security, and under there you're going to see the option for camera right here. And what will happen is, let's say you want to use a camera on an app, you want to make sure you give that access to that camera on the app. So if it was turned off like this and you try to use the camera, it's going to be black because it doesn't have access. So you're going to make sure you turn on the access for any apps as well. So that's something to do as well. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing to do is follow this step. You're going to quickly press and release the volume up or volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'll do volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to the side button just like that. Just keep on holding on to that side button until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo reappear on the screen. So here, as you can see, I'm holding on down to that side button, then wait for that Apple logo to appear, and then I let go. Basically, this is force restarting the phone, which shuts down the phone software, reloads the code. So if it's a software bug, it might be the reason why the camera is just stuck on that black screen. It'll go ahead and fix it. And if it doesn't work the very first time, you just want to keep on trying this method until it does it. Just volume up, volume down, and then hold on to this side button just like I did. Now, if it's still not working, it's time to go ahead into your settings and go to General, Software Update, and check if there's an update out. Sometimes the previous update might cause issues. So you want to make sure your phone is up to date on the latest version. Here, as you can see, I'm up to date, but if there's an update out, it will say update, install update, and you're going to go ahead and update your phone. Now, if you did all of that and still working, the last and the final thing to do is go into your settings, go into General, scroll down to Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on that, click on Reset, and you're going to reset all settings. Now, this is just resetting all the settings. None of your data will be deleted, so all of your photos, videos, apps still be your phone. And this is the last step you want to do to fix this camera issue. And hopefully doing this, your camera is no longer stuck on the black screen. It is working. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button. Also, if you found a better way to fix the problem as well, do share it in the comment section as well. We'll see you guys next time.